Hello, hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use Descript, which is a video editing software tool to make YouTube shorts from my long form YouTube videos. And it's super easy. It's probably going to blow your mind. If you're not familiar with Descript, I do have a link to that software below. It makes video editing so much easier. So let's dive in. I've duplicated a video I already recorded. And of course, you can upload video into Descript. What we're going to do is we're going to click here and go to crop and go to portrait. And so it kind of just crops that. If you're using it for Instagram or for YouTube Shorts, it will take away this black space once you publish it. And what we want to do is we want to add captions. So we go to here to this little title T and do captions. And then you have to hit like this to see them. You can edit them over here. So you can make them bigger or larger. You can also get more options by clicking custom, and you can change how the colors, you can change to future words. So there's a lot you can play around with in terms of styling it. You can move this box wherever you want. You can change the text. You can change the size. So again, there's lots of options on there. So that's how you edit the video itself. And then you can come over here and so this is like a 4-minute video. I'm going to take out all the screen sharing portion of it. Okay, and now I'm under 1 minute here, and you can see how long it is by looking here. So you can just click here, and so it's 47 seconds. I've been able to reduce this video down. So this just makes it so easy to shorten these long videos into a YouTube short or an Instagram or a TikTok, any of those. You can hit publish, so you can actually publish it straight to YouTube, or you can download it and upload it to any service you want.